On the last trading session of a Friday, gold spot printed a closing price little above $1,783 per ounce. The number is rounded and the market is closed. And on the last week, we traded as low as $1,760 per ounce and as high as $1,826 per ounce. The numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading below its all daily simple moving averages. This is what we call it in simple terms a correction. The RSI readings are bearish on the daily chart and bearish on the weekly chart and moderate still on the monthly chart. And the supports are seen at 1760, the low of the last week. If broken, then 1720, 1700 and 1680. And resistance levels are 1850, then 1900, then 1950. That's all. Moving out to the calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming weekend from the United States, we are waiting for the following economic headers to be released. The CB Consumer Confidence on Tuesday, and Fed Powell will have a speech on Tuesday, and the new home sales on Wednesday, and GDP price index on Thursday. That's all. Move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again. Gold market resumed its sell-off and the support at 1764, which was the low that we have seen in the past 2 months, was breached briefly before the market found the support little beneath 1764 at 1760 and turned around higher in the last trading session of Friday. In simple technical terms, what we are having at the moment in the gold market is correction. No need to fight the truth. This is what is happening in the gold market. We are into a correction. We are trading below the major moving averages, and this sell-off, in my opinion at least, is set to continue because I don't see any catalyst for gold to rally at the moment. And if you have one, just tell me. There is no doubt that the Bitcoin and the crypto market in general, they are stealing shine from gold because this market, the crypto market, is making every day like 10 to 15% for the past 3 months, and people started to see this. Even the average man who does not have anything to do with the trading started to hear about Bitcoin. And I don't know, even this market, if it will dip or correct, still is seen by analysts that it's going to go much more higher than what we have at the moment. This is one variant. Okay, look at the other one is COVID-19. COVID-19 is becoming under control at the moment, and the US announced that by April they will reach the herd immunity, and this is not good news for gold. However, gold at the moment relatively is cheap. It's 1780 is cheap, but technically we could be just on the doorstep of a massive decline to the downside with a target of 1450. And maybe I'm exaggerating at the moment, but this is what we are going to know in the near future. That's why I would suggest for you to step away from the gold market at the moment and don't trade unless you are using a tight stop loss in either side. As I said, this market is oversold. It could bounce back, and it's also have no case to rally, and it could also sell off, and the move is going to be massive to either side. That's all for this week. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the coming week in another video.